world of work is about to change forever. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than anyone imagined. By 2035, half of all jobs could disappear. From offices to factories, AI-powered machines are taking over tasks humans once did. Robots now assemble cars, process packages, and manage warehouses, working 24/7 without breaks or salaries. Even in healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases, predicting outbreaks, and performing surgeries with unmatched precision. Self-driving vehicles and drones are replacing drivers and couriers, moving goods and people efficiently. AI systems are now managing investments, predicting market trends, and making trading decisions faster than humans ever could. Education is evolving. AI tutors provide personalized learning, making traditional classrooms almost obsolete. Millions of traditional jobs will be replaced, but new opportunities will emerge for those ready to adapt. Even creative industries are affected. AI now composes music, writes articles, and creates visual art. From your smart home to your smartphone, AI is everywhere, predicting needs and making life easier. Retail is changing. AI systems now manage inventories, analyze customer behavior, and even assist in sales, reducing the need for human staff. Farms are becoming automated. AI-driven machines plant, harvest, and monitor crops with unmatched precision. Customer support is now dominated by AI chatbots, handling inquiries faster and more efficiently than humans ever could. Futuristic courtroom or council room with humans and AI discussing ethics, holographic projections of job data, cinematic lighting, epic futuristic mood. AI optimizes logistics globally, controlling shipping routes, warehouse management, and delivery networks without human intervention. Energy production and distribution are now monitored and optimized by AI, ensuring efficiency and reducing waste worldwide. Even communication is evolving. AI translates languages instantly, moderates content, and predicts public sentiment. Creativity is no longer only human. AI generates music, writes scripts, and designs art, challenging traditional creative industries. Security systems are AI-powered, detecting threats faster and more accurately than humans ever could. The global economy is transforming. AI is creating wealth for some and displacing workers in traditional sectors. To survive, humans must adapt, reskill, and collaborate with AI, embracing new opportunities instead of resisting change. Governments are integrating AI for policymaking, urban planning, and national security decisions. AI now powers space missions, managing spacecraft, satellites, and interplanetary data. As AI evolves, ethical regulations become critical. How do we ensure AI benefits humanity, not just corporations? AI accelerates scientific research, discovering medicines, materials, and technologies faster than human teams. From food production to supply chains, AI ensures efficiency and addresses global hunger challenges. Smart cities powered by AI optimize energy, traffic, and public services for millions of residents. The future is not just AI replacing humans, it's humans and AI working together to achieve more. But with great power comes risk. Uncontrolled AI could disrupt economies and societies if mismanaged. Yet, AI offers unprecedented opportunities, new industries, discoveries, and ways of life. Every individual will need to adapt, learn, and embrace lifelong education in an AI-driven world. New jobs will emerge: AI supervisors, robot coordinators, and human AI integration specialists. Entertainment is evolving. AI creates immersive experiences, personalized content, and virtual worlds. Society must navigate AI carefully, balancing innovation with ethics, fairness, and humanity. AI will touch every corner of the globe, transforming how countries compete, collaborate, and govern. To thrive, societies and individuals must embrace AI, reskill, and focus on creative, complex, and human-centric tasks. AI will replace many jobs, but it will also unlock human potential in ways we can barely imagine. The future is being built right now, and you're watching it on Neurivex. Subscribe to see how tomorrow unfolds.